welcome back to our channel. And again, we have completed our few assignments of Manipal University. And today we are here with assignment of financial management. And coming up straight on the question number one of assignment set one. Question number one comes up with the consequences of overcapitalization are far more serious than undercapitalization. Discuss the statements by elaborating the causes and effect of overcapitalization and undercapitalization. Overcapitalization means to invest more, and undercapitalization means investing less money in business or whatever thing. So we will be explaining it point wise. Coming up on the overcapitalization, its causes are these: excessive debts, over investment in excess assets, poor financial planning, and if its effects are increased financial burden, insufficient use of resources, reduced return of ROE. Coming up on undercapitalization, like investing less money, causes are insufficient funds, high growth rates, inability to secure loans, and the effects are operation distribution, limited growth opportunities, high cost of the capital. Concluding this answer, while both overcapitalization and undercapitalization presents challenge, overcapitalization often leads to more severe consequences due to its direct impact on financial stability and efficiency. Companies facing overcapitalization deal with the high financial burdens and inefficiencies, whereas the undercapitalization restrict operations and growth capabilities. Effective financial management involves balancing capital structure and assure sufficient funding while avoiding excess capital that could undermine the financial performance. Coming up on question number 2, Zubi wants to invest in bonds in alternative situation as stated below. You are required to advise her selecting the best option. These are some options 1, 2 and 3, and these are the things which she could invest. Bond price rupees 500, coupon rate 8%, life of bond 5 years, value is 500 rupees, and return of rate is 10%. Coming up on the answer part, we will be doing these two steps and coming up on the final answer. First, let us read out what options does Zubi have. Interest accrued annually, interest occurred biannually, interest occurred quarterly. This first option have interest once in a year, second option have interest twice in a year, and third option have interest 4 times in a year, like after every 3 months. So after completing all these things, putting these formula, so first option, interest occurred annually, has the highest percentage value, that is rupees 462 and 82 paisa. So option 1, that is interest occurred annually, is the best option for Zubi. Coming up on the question number 3, differentiate between operation and financial leverage. This is the part A, and part B is if you contribute 2400 every year to a retirement account, accurate calculate what will be the future value to its annuity after 30 years with the interest rate of 7%. These are the two options, operating leverage and financial leverage. And the part B, we have a formula over here where FV, future value, P, R and N are these things. By solving all these things, we can conclude this answer. The future value of this annuity is 30 years with the 7% annual rate of return will be approximately 57,684 rupees. Coming up on set number 2, this set will be starting with the question number 4. Do you think that the different factors affecting capital structure decisions will be viewed differently by the different companies? Support your answer with the suitable example. So these are the 3 points: industry norms, business models, financial health, risk tolerance, growth, career opportunities, and strategic goals. All the organization have their different goals, different financial risk tolerance, and financial health, as well as they have a different rules and regulations, different norms and business models. We can conclude this answer by stating that different companies view and approach capital structure decision differently based on their industry characteristics, financial health, growth strategies, regulatory environment. Understanding the varied perspective helps in tailoring the capital structure strategies to meet different organizational needs and objectives, hereby optimizing the financial performance and risk management. You are required to prepare the statement by showing the work capital required finance the level of the activities 18,000 units per year for the following information. These are the information. First part have a particulars and second part have rupees. Additional information is stated below. Raw material is in stock on average for 2 months. So we can, by taking these two steps and applying all these formulas, we can calculate the work capital requirement. Work capital requirement equals to raw material plus work in process, finished goods plus debtors minus creditors, wages plus cash. Working capital requirement 36,000 plus 9,000 plus 72,000 plus 1,35,000 minus 36,000 plus 1,500 plus 7,000. Working capital requirement is 2,07,500. Coming up on the question number 3. Question number 3 have two different parts. First one is a manufacturing company places a semi-annual order of 24,000 units at a price of 20 rupees per unit. Its carrying cost is 15% and the order cost is rupees 12 per order. What is the most economical quality of order and how many orders need to be placed? So we'll be solving part A by this formula. We can use economic order quantity EOQ formula and get our answer, that is 1959. Coming up on the part B, differentiate between hard and soft capital rationing. These are the two: hard capital rationing and soft capital rationing. Understand these concepts help business manage their inventory cost insufficiently and make informed decisions about capital investment based on their financial conditions and strategic observations. As you can see, this is a half solved assignment. You can buy our complete assignment from online store, that is https://makemyassignments.in, and this is for session September 2024, and we are charging rupees 199 only per assignment. You can write us over at our mail address, that is makemyassignments@gmail.com, or other you can write us over on our WhatsApp, that is 9625074462. That's all for this video. Thank you. Bye bye.